In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xiaomi Pad 6 to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a PC or laptop and you want to connect and use your Pad 6 in conjunction with it, you can easily do this. So this will be a native feature available on the Pad 6 and most standard laptops or PCs. So this will be done wirelessly. There are methods that allow you to establish this connection with a cable, but for this video I chose the wireless option because I believe it is most convenient. So first of all, go into these settings and go into more connectivity options. In here you will see wireless display, and when you choose this option you will be able to set it up. Wireless display. Use your tablet as a wireless display of a nearby Windows computer. How to use this feature, and then they will go over the process. Just make sure that Windows is up to date, and you will have access to Miracast by pressing Windows plus K. First of all, enable the feature on your Pad 6. As soon as it is enabled, you will see this message, connect from your computer. Without leaving this page, press Windows plus K on your computer keyboard, then find your tablet. So press this combination here, Windows plus K, and as long as you are on this window and you see this icon spin, it indicates that it is looking for nearby devices. So when you press Windows plus K, as you can see here, on your PC or laptop, the Xiaomi Pad should appear. So choose your Xiaomi Pad. It doesn't necessarily have to be the 6 model standard, it can be any other one. And when you choose it from the list, it will be connected. So now you will be able to use the screen on the PC or the laptop as a mirror for your Xiaomi Pad 6. And you will be able to control other additional options. So if you go here, you will be able to see the current connection that is established, and it is going to remain connected as long as you are in close proximity. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Xiaomi Pad 6 to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.